That sound you just heard was 3 of my pulley bearings that have failed. So I'm going to do my best to explain exactly what we're looking at here. With a rear-wheel drive car, the engine's laid out in a longitudinal fashion, which means that all of the pulleys are located up front and easy to access. You have your main crankshaft pulley down here, and that's going to spin and drive your other pulleys through a serpentine belt. Now this tensioner pulley here places the correct amount of tension on the pulley to make sure that everything's spinning properly. In my case, the bearing failed on the tensioner pulley and then also on 2 of the idler pulleys, which aren't connected to any accessories. Now the work wasn't covered under warranty because it's not part of the drivetrain, so the dealer charged just under $400 to replace 3 pulleys and the serpentine belt. If you were to troubleshoot it yourself, you would remove that serpentine belt and then you could spin these pulleys by hand and the bearings shouldn't make any noise. So from what I've read, this is a pretty common problem among Subarus with low mileage. I've had Hondas and Nissans in the past that have gone over 150,000 miles without running into this sort of issue, but these bearings failed on me with just over 40,000 miles. So around 40,000 miles, I was a little bit surprised, but hopefully they last a while longer, and now I know exactly what sound to be looking for. The sound did sound pretty similar to rod knock, except less deep than that, but when engine speed increased, so did the volume and the rate of the sound that you saw in that initial video.